is James C. Marotta. I'm the owner and operator of Marotta Plastic Surgery Specialists. We are a specialty practice where our physicians focus on one particular area in plastic surgery. I'm a board certified facial plastic surgeon, and my focus is the face. I'm a specialist in rhinoplasty, facial rejuvenation surgery, which includes eyelid lifts, face lifts, and facial contouring and restructuring like fat grafting and chin implants and cheek implants. I've been in practice now for 11 years. I'm double board certified, a fellow of the American College of Surgeons. I was fortunate enough to be invited and voted top cosmetic surgeon on Long Island.
What I love most about plastic surgery is really the patients. I just love interacting with people. I love being able to care for them through a process that's intensely personal and something that can be transformative for people. It can make a real big difference in someone's life when they have something that they may not feel great about, maybe impeding their progress and forward in life, maybe something they're self-conscious about. And if I can help in some small way to help them overcome that, and the look of joy and satisfaction on patients' faces when they come in the office and we remove their cast from a rhinoplasty, or we take off the bandages from a facelift, and to see them, the joy and great gratitude that they have for that. I feel it's a tremendous gift to be able to perform these kinds of procedures and to be caring and care for my patients. I have a lot of memories of rewarding moments in my career where patients have expressed their gratitude for what I've done, and some of them, I can just be out on and meet somebody on the street, and they'll tell me that, 10 years ago my son was in a bad accident, and you met them in the emergency room, and you sewed up a laceration, and we can barely see a scar now. We're so grateful. Or I had an older gentleman who had skin cancer, and he was missing a large portion of his nose, and I did a reconstruction on him, and he was so grateful because he said that he was always attuned and in tune with his looks when he was younger because he was a childhood actor, and the fact that I gave him his nose back, he's very grateful for that. And then I've had patients, we do pro bono work with the Face to Face, which is the National Domestic Violence Project, and we had a patient who was unfortunately a victim of domestic violence, and as a child suffered repeated beatings and had lots of scar tissue in her lips, and we had done a procedure to help her overcome that, and she was extremely grateful, and it was a very rewarding moment in my career to be able to help somebody like that. And I've done missions overseas, and seeing people who barely really have anything, in terms of material possessions, but we were able to, did surgeries on them, reconstructing ears for children born with that birth defect, and just being able to help those people and to provide a helping hand was just a really great experience. I think what I want patients to know about our particular practice is that when you come here, we will deliver the best care you can potentially get in plastic surgery services. We treat every patient like family, and we try our utmost to deliver a world-class experience in terms of the procedure itself, the recovery, the interaction with staff, and we will stop at nothing less than that for a patient, because I feel it's my utmost responsibility as the owner and operator of the practice to achieve that level of excellence for my patients and anybody who comes in the door. And we have an extensive background in plastic surgery and are able to provide, I think, specialty care that's unique not only to Long Island, but to New York and to the world. We have specialists in each area of plastic surgery, which is, I think, a unique offering, and that makes us stand apart.